So hello guys and welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to connect Zoho Mail to Shopify. So the first thing you want to do is go to your admin panel on Shopify, then log in on there. From here you can see home, orders, customers, online store, apps, and you can see settings on there. You can just go ahead and click on settings. Once you've clicked on that, it will take you to a page similar to this one. So on here you can see shipping, delivery, markets, customer events, notifications. You can see your general setup as well, but I suggest from here to go to domains. Once you've gone to domains, you will need to choose which of these domains you're going to use for Zoho Mail. After that, click on connect existing domain. From here you can add your Zoho Mail, which will be owned by you, and I will just show you how Zoho Mail looks. So if you wish to set it up, you can see here some sponsored website, and you can see here secure business email hosting for your organization. So if you click on that, you can get started with add free email. You can set it up through here, and you can see it will look something like this. Now if you wish to set it up through there, you can just do that. You can also go to your general settings, and on there you can edit that and add your Zoho Mail, which you can use and replace with the email you're using currently. So you can basically set it up a few ways through your domains and your general settings. If you found this information helpful or useful, you can like the video. You can also share the video. You can subscribe to the channel and click the notification bell to get notified about new videos on Shopify or some other topics you might find interesting as well. Thank you very much for watching this video, and as always, I will see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.